Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal and in this video I'll show you how to create your own YouTube channel in a step-by-step process. But sometimes what may happen that you already may have mistakenly or intentionally made a channel and now you want to create another channel on the same Gmail account, and in that case what you can do is you can simply come to youtube.com and click on this icon and go to settings and then click on add or manage your channel, and then you can see here create a new channel. Okay, in this context you don't see anything at here like create a new channel, so that's why you need to follow this process. Now let's talk about creating a brand new channel. You already have your Gmail account, and if you don't have any Gmail account then you can simply visit to gmail.com or follow my other tutorial and you can simply get a Gmail account. After that visit to youtube.com and then simply click on sign in. Okay, as you can see here I have 3 Gmail account here. Now I'll simply click on this one and then I'll then type the password and click on next. So now I have logged into YouTube with my Gmail account. Okay, now if I click on here you can see a button where it says create a channel. Now if you already have made a channel then you can see you will not see such kind of button. Okay, you can see here, you can see your channel, you don't see a create a new channel, and that case you need to go to setting and then add or manage your channel, and then you can click on create a new channel. And if you have a brand new Gmail account, then in such case you can simply get a create a channel button at here. Simply click on that and then click on get started, and then you can use a custom name. I would suggest you to use a custom name instead of your own name, but if you want to put your own name that's also fine, but I'll show you. You just need to select here if you want to put your own name that is available on your Gmail account. If not, then you can simply select here to use a custom name and put the name of your channel. My best channel, let's say. I'll put it and just simply click on I understand. I'm creating a new Google account with its own setting including YouTube. Okay, you can just select it and click on create. Okay, now let's wait for some time. Now we are on YouTube Studio. Okay, now you can simply click on upload a profile picture. Okay, it will be shown at here, so simply click on upload a picture. Okay, let me show you some. Okay, for now I'll just put this one. Okay, you can remove it later also, and then you can, after putting your profile picture, just tell a little bit about your channel. Okay, and if here, and then you can put your website link at your URL. Just in my case it could be my own website. Okay, I can put it at here, and then you can also put your Facebook profile. Just go to your Facebook and click on your profile and bring that link at here. Okay, you can put other this kind of link also, because it is not my official channel, so I'll delete my website link too and click on save and continue. Okay, don't worry about what if I didn't put my Facebook link, this link, that link. Just create a YouTube channel and start creating your videos. Okay, now if you want to customize your channel, you can simply click on customize channel. No, okay, so now I'll describe you some important things that are available here. Dashboard means simply your dashboard, channels dashboard, where you can see this kind of analytics, news. Okay, if you want to upload your videos, you can click on dashboard, upload videos, or you can also click on this and upload a video. So this content means all the videos that you have uploaded will be shown at here. Okay, playlist means if you want to create a playlist, you can simply click on new playlist, and then what you can do is, playlist is like an album. You can put 10 videos that are similar in that playlist and give that playlist a name, so that playlist would also be shown in YouTube. It would be beneficial if you are making some kind of episode wise videos. In such case, playlists are good to make. And if you click on analytics, then you'll see the views that you are getting, real-time views of 48 hours. You'll see those kind of things. Okay, and how much hours people have watched it, how much subscriber you have gained. And yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you click on reach, then you'll see how much impression, how much people just simply saw the thumbnail of your video or saw the title of your video, and how much people, in those people who have saw your thumbnail or videos, how many people clicked that video will be shown here. Impression click-through rate means that. Now after that, once people click that, and how much people would have viewed your video. For example, if you got 100 impression and 50 people may have clicked to your videos, and only 35 people may have watched your videos, those views will be shown here. Now sometimes what happens, one person will see your video several times, and in that case it will be shown here, unique viewers. Okay, how many people have seen those videos. And engagement means how much overall, how much is your average view duration, meaning some people may watch your videos for 5 minutes, some would watch for 10 seconds, some would watch for 1 hour. Then those kind of average view will be shown at here. Okay, and here it will be shown your top videos. Okay, and your playlist. And this top video by end screen means after a video ends, there will pop up your other videos. If you have kept that kind of setting, then that video will, if those video have been getting click, or if people are watching, after watching your single video, if they go and watch other videos by clicking on those pop-up, then those will be shown here. These are not extremely important if you are just new. And if you click on this comment section, you'll see the people's comment, whatever they have asked or made a comment, you can reply it from here. And sometime what happened, people use the links in the videos, they are basically spammers, and this kind of comment can be seen here for review, for your review. Okay, and if you get some, okay, subtitle means simply those English subtitles that appears below the videos. And copyright means if you use some music or some kind of those things, and if you do and those are like paid type of stuff, then your channel may get hit by copyright and your video can be removed. Okay, so try to use your own content, your own video, your own creation on YouTube. And monetization means I think you need to cross the 1,000 subscriber minimum, and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, 4,000 hours plus people must have seen your videos to monetize your channel, and then you can start earning. But don't stop because of those things. Okay, just do what you love. How you can help people, okay, help it through your YouTube videos, and surely you can one day monetize and earn good amount of money from YouTube, or whatever the purpose is that you are making this channel. Just continue with that. Don't let money to uh, hold you back from creating your very own YouTube channel. Okay, and customization means you need to sometimes put the blurs and those things. That are other topic. You can watch other videos for that, how to blur some sections of the video. Sometimes what happen, we use our credit card info and we don't want those to appear on our videos. In that case, we need to we need to blur those spot, and that is important. And at that time we can do this kind of editing from this customization section. And whatever problem you face while creating videos, like if you didn't understand whatever things, just watch other YouTube videos, okay, to accomplish it or to do it. And you can click on branding, and you can put a small image by 98 by 98 pixel. And to make such kind of thumbnail or anything, do use this site that is called canva.com. okay, it is absolutely free to make pictures. You can watch other tutorials about how to make pictures, thumbnails, cover pic in Canva. It is extremely easy. Okay, you don't need to worry about those things. You just need to watch and learn. Keep on learning on a step-by-step process, and everything will be fine. This audio library means the music that you can use, and you will not get any kind of copyright strike if you use this kind of music in your video. But be sure to give the credit to the artist. Okay, you need to click on download. For example, if you click on download, and then this music will be downloaded. Okay, and you can use this music in your video, but you will also get the information of the artist and such thing. You need to give credit in the description section of your YouTube video. Okay, so this much thing is important to know. And if you want to upload the video, simply click on upload and upload your video and get started. And do ask for subscribers, and gradually you will when you start to see analytics, and you will see what type of your videos are being watched more, or people are liking those video most, and you can create those kind of videos. Okay, so this much I want to show you in this video. I hope this was somewhat helpful for you, and please do subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.